Hello and welcome back to the Mercury Vapor Glow channel. Today please excuse the mess on my workbench here, but I am in the process of repairing a pretty funny special fixture here. It's a shop downlight fixture that has a bowl just like the low bay or high bay shop lights here. It came in a package disassembled, so that's why it's disassembled, and I got it pretty cheaply because it's a fixture that has although it's new and never used, it has had an accident or something where it was hit or the box dropped or something like that. And here there is inside this compartment here there's the ballast, and it's for 70-watt metal halide lamps just like this one here. Let me show you. I have a lamp for it already. So it's this small, I think it's I forgot what the socket is exactly, but it's this one. And I will just try to repair this lamp, because from the shock that it got, this thingies here were supposed to be attached right here permanently, but they broke out. It was just something like a rivet, it was too weak. So what I will do is I will just put a screw through it. I already bought the repair kit, the screws here, or the bolts, whatever you call it, and then I will stick it through. So on the other side I can just get a washer and a nut, and this will hold forever. It won't disassemble again, as this weak thing here that was just pressed in. And when I'm done, I will show you the entire fixture, of course. And it's pretty funny because it has this a refractor bowl here, but additionally it has to be enclosed fixture for this metal halide lamp. So it's got something like that you mount inside of this, and it's now more like a downlight only because it has a reflector all around it, and the glass that protects when the bulb gets shattered at the end of its life, that is possible. Also here was a little bit of damage, like right here where I'm pointing my finger. I have already buffed it out a little bit, and I just think it's enough. It will work and you won't see it, so I am looking forward to assemble this fixture and show it to you while working. And also this is a fixture that you can hang down from a ceiling, so that it hangs on this cable here, and here is the cable assembly. I think it's like 5 feet or 1.8 meters, they said, the listing. And the cable here is a very flexible one, like a professional style cable, silicone, that is also resistant to heat and everything. But the fixture does not hang on that, it's just the connection for the electrical current. Alrighty, then I guess I'll be back here very soon when the fixture is assembled and ready to test. So as you can see, I have fixed up this fixture, and I have temporarily hung it just like that on a ladder, because I have no use for it right now, especially not with this long cable. Here I would have to modify this to be able to hang it somewhere so it doesn't almost touch the ground, like here. But you can see it's a pretty heavy fixture. Actually, this ballast is pretty heavy. Changing into a electronic ballast may make this fixture a lot easier to handle. Actually, here you can see a little bit of the socket, so the lamp compartment here is not closed, it can still ventilate. It's just something that can be ventilated, like just here. Then there is the refractor, and when we go down more, then we of course get into the inner portion of this refractor, and also this lamp reflector on the inside, and I will now fire this fixture up for you so that we see how it works. It actually wasn't easy to set the camera up so that you can see the lamp warming up, but I've managed to do it, so without further ado, let's start it up. Here we go. So it's a metal halide with improved color rendering. It has a very beautiful color sequence when starting up. We start green, then turn white, then green again, and then the flashing of the evaporating. Right now it starts flashing because the metals are evaporating. It's flashing in this bright colors. It's beautiful. And then suddenly the color will change into the really nice warm white. It happens right now. And this warm white has a color rendering of over 90% with the lamp fully warmed up. So it's a very good light source. Actually, it is almost as good as today's LEDs for color rendering. And the lamp is to warm up relatively quickly, so we should be here at full brightness pretty soon. As you can see, the fixture has a outer reflector that is a translucent plastic. So in theory, this lamp should emit some sideways light, but because it has a reflector inside of it that makes it almost work like a downlight only, not a spotlight, but it's a downlight. The light only goes down and it almost doesn't go anywhere else. I will show to you here very soon. The lamp should be at full brightness right now, so I will quickly just move it here again, take away the box that I used to prop this up, and now you can see while operating there is almost no light going to the side. You can see a clear ring where the light is going. Most of the light actually is going here directly under the fixture, so it's a little bit like a spotlight, but also the area around is pretty well lit also. And I guess this is a fixture that is meant for very tall, like hallways or places in hotels, maybe in company entranceways, representative entranceways. It may hang over a counter or something like that. It's obviously meant for buildings with very high ceilings and not for the standard residential use. I mean, of course, you can cut the wire that's holding it here to length and shorten this if you want to. But still, because of the beam pattern, this lamp should be a little higher than a usual residential lamp to light the room up well, I guess. So I hope you liked this presentation of this shop light, or high bay, low bay light, however you would like to call it. It's more like a high bay light because it's meant to be up high. And thank you very much for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye.